Hello, it's Lee here. Welcome to week 50 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. The prompts for this week are something silver, something from mythology or legend, an image of something made from wood or wood grain, a clothing tag, graph, paper, and something upside down is the bonus. So this is going to be a really quick one. I've already worked out what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is just stick down some paper just for a background. This is just a piece of tea-dyed paper that's had some ink splashed onto it. I'll pop that there. Now, something silver are these wings. Something from mythology is legend of the lady with the uneven wings. You might not have heard of that one before because I just made it up. An image of something made from wood or wood grain. I've got this postcard. It is Tchaikovsky's house. So it came from a set of postcards. A clothing tag. I've got this one, which is to do with care of the delicate yarn that the garment was made from. I've got some graph paper, which has also got some paint, silver paint on it. I've also got this little quote, when you love what you have everything you need. And that's going to be my upside down thing. So I'm just going to put it all together and you'll see at the end where it's going.
My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is, love. My childhood was a bore. My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now, love. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a robot, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts. I'm not coming to your birthday party.
Everything's in there. Silver, something from mythology, which is my made up myth about the lady with the odd sized wings. The moral of the story being that if you don't have the right equipment, you're just going to be flying round and round in circles. An image of something made from wood or wood grain is my trees in the background. My clothing tag is there. My graph paper is there. And something upside down was my little quote. When you love what you have everything you want. So 10th of December. It's my birthday today, so that's why this is a quick one. Because I'm going out for breakfast. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo. Bye.